Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your investments according to your own research. Today, I will say it right away. We will talk about DEFI technologies. And this is a project which has captured my attention for quite some time now, and it's high time we talk about it. Not only because what they have achieved in the recent couple of months, but also how they are being led and what is awaiting the community of Defitech. But before we dive deep into what they did, let's talk about what they are doing in general. On their website, they describe themselves as bridging TradFi with innovative exposure to digital assets. And they also say institutional grade exposure to digital assets through issuing of ETPs, trading, strategic ventures, and Web3 infrastructure. What is important to notice here is that they are offering a wide range of digital asset products, which includes exchange-traded products, ETPs as they say, and this is a part of their strategy to offer accessible financial solutions in the crypto space. What is also great is that DeFi Technologies leverages its deep ties to blockchain community to develop unique market-leading products. Community is a big focus for the project, and actually right now they are growing with their community. So let's talk about these ETPs, and these ETPs are offered via Valor Inc. Valor Inc. is a subsidiary of DeFi Technologies, and they have launched various digital assets, ETPs in Europe, offering investors exposure to the top-tier crypto assets. These include popular assets actually like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging projects like Polkadot, Solana, and Cardano, which are now very big. And Valor has also its own product line. For example, Bitcoin Zero and Ethereum Zero, they are fully hedged passive investment products with no management fees. One Valor Bitcoin Physical Carbon Neutral ETP. This is combining financial growth with eco-conscious investing, and other ETPs backed by assets such as Uniswap, Unitoken, Avalanche AVAX, and Hedera HBAR, and many more actually. If you go to their website, portfolio section, and Valor, you will see the metrics of Valor. And right now, in total, 837 million Canadian dollars have been in Valor, which is a great number. And actually on the website, they explain it very simple. Valor makes it easy for retail and institutional investors to invest in digital assets and decentralized finance. And Valor is a well-known company which has listings across leading European stock exchanges, including Euronext, which is a combination of Paris and Amsterdam, Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and Nordic Growth Market. And again, when you look at the website, you will see that Valor is not the only diversified business that they are offering. But there's DeFi Alpha, DeFi Ventures, there's Reflexivity Research, and DeFi Infrastructure, as you can see on their website. And they have also gathered significant investments already, and they are working for the better of the project. But Valor stands out from the rest, I can say, and it's a key subsidiary of DeFi Technologies. It focuses on digital assets, ETPs, as I have said. And Valor Bitcoin staking and Valor Ethereum staking, as well as physical staking of ETPs for Internet Computer ICPs, are really great. These offerings provide investors with exposure to the growing decentralized finance market, as I have said. And DeFi Technologies actually expanding beyond European markets through partnerships between Valor and Niobe Securities Exchange and SoFi Inc. Together, they aim to reach to a bigger community and bigger audience. With 85% smartphone penetration and established mobile money ecosystem, Kenya ranks as the larger cryptocurrency markets in Africa. So these are some of the things that differentiates DeFi tech in my eyes, but there are other things, and I think they are also quite important. And this is about how they operate in terms of business management. With 45% of the company's shares owned by senior management and founders, the leadership has a clear and substantial stake in the company's success, and their decisions will be for the better of the company. CEO Olivier's recent purchase of 900,000 shares on the open market only strengthens this alignment actually. And with this, his total holdings are around 17.9 million shares, along with some close associates, of course. This number actually represents over $40 million worth of personal commitment to the company and its success. For example, if you compare Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett, who's 94 years old, he has 33% in the company. So they do not lack any kind of leadership motivation. And what is also great is that they want to drive the project and its community further and further every year and every day. And actually, if you take a look at the companies who are led by the founders, such as Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, you will see that their success is unmatched. And also, DeFi Technologies founders and management do think that their company is kind of undervalued. And that's why they have announced a massive buyback program. And actually, they've only scratched the surface on this. The program is authorized to buy back 27 million shares. But the company just got started, and there are more things coming in terms of that. The company has actually increased their BTC holdings by acquiring 94.34 BTC, bringing the total to 204, actually more than 204 BTC. What is also great is that they are diversifying their portfolio. It is great for the company, but also great for the investors and peace of mind, of course. So they have acquired nearly 13,000 SOL. And what is more, the company has purchased almost 1.5 million core tokens, and they plan to participate in core staking facility, which enhances yield opportunities and contributes to the network security. And recently, Eric Jackson, a professional in terms of trading, has named DeFi Technologies among the potential 20 baggers. And actually on Fox News, they've been titled as the next Nvidia, which is another founder-led company. And actual DeFi Technologies, which is also known as US DEFTF, is also getting a lot of attention from the community of crypto because they are quite undervalued, as it's also suggested. And that means that they have a very big potential. So, DeFi Technologies announced in the second quarter of 2024 their financial results, achieving a stronger financial quarter to date. And it experienced record revenues of $98 million and $94.4 million for 3 and 6 months ending in June 30th in 2024, along with a net income of $66.5 million and $53.2 million for the same periods, which is great for a project like this. And for these numbers to get into the project is really cheap. So the market cap of the project stands around $615 million, and cash is $40 million, and treasury is $50 million in crypto holdings. And actually looking at all these numbers, if DeFi Technologies generated net income of $66.5 million USD in the recent quarter, then the company's PE ratio is 3, which is really good. And actually looking ahead, they have annualized revenues for fiscal 2024 to reach approximately 117 million Canadian dollars, which is equal to $130 million approximately. And this is for 2024, as I have said. Supported by ongoing AUM growth, upcoming ETP launches, and integration of new acquisitions, which are poised to capitalize on favorable conditions in the digital asset sector. What I really like about the project is they are led by the founders and they know what they are doing. They are diversifying their portfolio, they have a lot of products, and the project is really solid in terms of groundwork. And if you're seeking for a project which has really solid fundamentals, a really well-developed growth path, and they have already products aligned in their ecosystem, DeFi Technologies is a project that stands out. And I can say they are a unique player in this sector with such a well-planned technological background and such a well-planned development path. If you are curious about the project, you can check out their website and read everything about the project. What's also great is that there is an article on Newswire, and there is also comments from CEOs in this article, and you can read it to get a better look at the project. And Mr. Ross Newton added that moving forward, we remain focused to capitalize on the growing opportunities within the digital asset sector, ensuring that DeFi technologies remain at the forefront of financial innovation and continues to leverage our digital assets treasury and initiatives like DeFi Alpha to maximize returns and support the broader ecosystem. It's also said in this article that the company maintains its plans to launch approximately 15 ETP products in 2024 and an additional 30 in 2025 as the company continues to take advantage of positive macro fundamentals for digital asset economy in general. And if you want to get your hands on a token, it's called DeFi in CBOE Canada. It is DEFTF in OTC markets, and it is R9B Frankfurt Stock Exchange. And you can see the numbers of company shares, options, warrants, and everything on their website if you want to, all in one place. And if you want more updates on the project, you should follow them on their Twitter. And if you take a look at their Twitter, you will see that they have reposted Anthony Pompliano's actual tweet. And he says, announcing our newest conference, Crypto Investor Day, this event in Nevasi on October 25th. And it's real great to see that the team is actually taking part in conferences and getting together with the community. And if you ask who Anthony Pompliano is, he is actually the brain behind one of the products in DeFi technologies. And this is actually reflexivity research, as you can see on their website. So that's all for this video. We'll continue to bring you the latest news and promising projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.